Larsen Toubro built ports, power plants and metro lines. Now it wants a piece of our car's electronics. And of course, what also I guess we want a piece of is actually to bring that 82% percentage, bring it down. Yes, because 82% of our viewers who watch our videos and our content have not subscribed. So well, we can go ahead and fight this war together by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you so much for your kind support. And now back to Larsen Toubro. Now, L&T has proposed a new investment over 5 years to build a new automotive electronics business. The 5,000 crore rupees investment funds a new manufacturing facility in Coimbatore and research centers in Bengaluru and Coimbatore. It plans on building products across EV traction motors, motor control units and advanced driver assistance systems. The push runs through Larsen Toubro's electronic products and systems business led by Prashant Jain and of course sits inside the company's wider Lakshya 31 strategy. It is expected to create over 5,000 jobs, which is of course very encouraging. L&T has already signed its first deal, by the way. It shall be supplying traction motors to a two-wheeler manufacturer built on motor technology licensed from EVR Motors. Now, more technology tie-ups and startup investments in power electronics are reportedly under evaluation as L&T works to build its own IP over time rather than, well, stay purely a licensee. The timing lines up with a very healthy balance sheet as well. L&T's most recent quarterly net profit rose 14% year-on-year to 4,123 crore rupees, which of course then brings us to the front page take. L&T is targeting the broader industrial electronics space. It is worth about $2 billion today and projected to reach $4.85 billion by 2031. Now, Larsen Toubro has an ambition to acquire 10 to 15% of that market share, dominated by decades-old specialists like Bosch and Continental with deep IP advantages. L&T is betting its engineering scale. Now, this is of course what smaller Indian component makers couldn't. So the question I have for you is this: is this focused conviction in India's EV future or a conglomerate spreading itself thin across too many next big things at once? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe. Think AI. Think AI.